Hi, I'm Kamaksha. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to install Ollama AI Model Manager in shortcut. Actually, this is a standalone open source uh, locally running AI model server, which means we don't need to connect to online AI LLM applications like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and many more. Today, there are dozens of online AI models. I mean LLMs. Whenever I call a model, you have to take it as an LLM. So how to get the Ollama into the computer and install, and then so I'm going to talk about how to install Ollama in Windows operating system and then interact with it through using Windows terminal. Okay. So first, so when you get it, you just you know search for, say, I'm closing all my dirty. Okay. Ollama for Windows. Okay. And then you'll go to this place ollama.com and download Windows. So it is right now it is available for 3 different platforms. And I want it for Windows. It automatically detected that my operating system is. You have to click on this button, download for Windows, and your download will start like this. If you see, I already downloaded it. It is there in my computer, and I already installed it. So after downloading, what you need to do, go to the place where you have this executable file. This is Windows build. You just have to right click and then press run as administrator. Okay, I'm going to, it will take a couple of minutes because it is, I think, close to 2 GB file. Yeah, it will start like this. So after that, you just have to press yes and next, 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 something. Otherwise, if you have a button finish, just finish. Okay, I'm going to close. After you install Ollama, what happens is you will get this startup button in your startup app panel. So here, this downward. So if you click on this, you will get various. Go to the settings and don't disturb anything. Just leave it. Look at this place. This is currently the location where all my models are going into. And whenever I install a model, that will go to this memory location, and from there I can start using them. Now, one more thing, if you want to converse with Llama, go to Open Ollama. This is actually a desktop application, which is a chart window. You can say currently I am interacting with DeepSeek. You can just choose. These are all the models which are installed in my computer. Okay, so I can select one of them. Let's say Llama. Let's say hi. Now Llama will respond me back saying, yeah, something like that. Just like as you interact with online LLMs like ChatGPT, OpenAI ChatGPT, and DeepSeek model. Now, so how are you going to? There is something command reference. There is something here like box. If you go to this place, you will know various commands to manage Llama. So let me go to, this is download. Let me go to quick start. So to launch Llama in your terminal, you should use Llama itself. So I'm just going to open my terminal, Windows. We call it as CMD. If I use Llama and that so currently this is the version which is installed in my computer. And if you want to locate all the models that are currently available from my Windows operating system, I can use for unknown reasons. I'm just using list. And if I want to download a model, okay, these are all the models that are downloaded already. So let me go. So Ollama, I don't know why I'm using KK list of models. So let us pick one of the models. So DeepSeek, R1, Llama, Nomic Embed, something like that. So now I have an application in my computer that is called SADSA. And by the way, pulling and installing models is a time-consuming activity. It is not that easy to. They are huge in size, because as the models, they are into 3 billion parameters, 7 billion parameters. Now that went far ahead, and today models are heavy, and so this is my application, and this is has some add-ins related to it. It is an AI app. There are a few AI add-ins. One is in file menu here, AI console. If I open, see here I have my. So this is a data analysis app where I have a feature to interact with the models and get the work done. Now there is something else called help and open master report. Here there is Llama manager. So if you click on this, you see currently if you go to the tab models, these are the models currently available in. If you look at here in the list, there is something called 5 3.5 which is not installed. I can just download here, but this app will take a lot of time going back, and I try to install 5 in command prompt. You can install any one of them, doesn't matter. But choose one of the models which are listed here. In order to operate this SADSA, okay, I think this automatically. Okay, so fine. So I'm not going to use this app for installation. I'll do that from the backend. So how am I going to install the model? So just if you go back to your documentation, there is something called pull. So I'm searching for Llama pull or Llama. You can straight away run. Okay, instead of see the difference. Yeah, run Gamma, something like this. So the Gamma will be automatically installed in your computer if you don't have that in your system. Otherwise, we just have to install, only to install. No, we have to use pull command, something like this. Okay, Ollama pull Gamma 3. Right now, I don't have this file. I'm going to pull this. Go to the terminal. I say Ollama pull and 5.3. Here, what is the advantage of downloading models from your CMD is that you will have progress bar very clearly showing you how much is downloaded, how much is not. So let's see after I'll pause my video for a couple of seconds because it's going to take, it is 2.2 GB file. I'm sure it is showing me currently 20 minutes. It will not take 20 minutes. It will be finished shortly, but I'll pause my video and come back and I will let you know how to integrate this model with SADSA. Now the download is finished, and it took a lot of time because I'm running on mobile data. So yeah, it is finished. Now let us go back to the application. If you see, I'm sure the file will not, yeah, it is already there. Okay, it was caught in the application is getting refreshed, and it is catching all models. So if I go back to Llama manager, so in models, yeah, 5 is already there. Now you see that vanished. Yeah, there was a red color error message that it is not installed. There was a download button here that was vanished. Now you can just refresh models in order to get all the models into the cache of the. So that's all. So you can just go back and once you do this, open a console and the file is select. There are two, I think, 5.3. That's good. Great. Now I'm using 5 for my conversation. Okay. This is the data as app. You need to have the data set in the view panel. So I'm just some simulated data set. Don't worry. Now then I think I have to open once again because so I'm going to start a console. Now this time I say hi. Now I'll get a response back saying that this is what is the data set you imported into the application and now what you want me to do, something like that. So this is how you can make use of Llama in operating, as a standalone local AI manager. You can install all advanced models. Now today people are talking about Llama. It's one of the popular and famous model, especially for software development. So you can just download and go to here this place and find out one of your favorite models and then pull it down, start using it. Let me see if I have OpenAI models. GPT. Yeah, GPT is not there because then, DeepSeek is there. Game so like that you can search for your favorite model and start using it in your computer. Now you see the response is coming from this response is coming from this model file. Okay, okay, that's for this video. I shall talk more and more about the AI console of this app in my future videos. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the new content. Bye for now.